everyone, this is Miss Sidra from Sparkling Memoriez. In front of you, what we're actually going to be making today, we have the bread stuffing, and we have some deviled eggs, and of course we have some cake. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we start with is the boiling water. You either start with hot water or cold water, and you actually have to put it on a good high fire to get it nice and boil, because you don't want to have it to the point where it's not bubbling. You want it to bubble. That's why you actually want to do that. So we have the pot with the water, and over here we have the beginning stages. We actually use butter, flour, water until you bring it to this type of consistency. So it's like basically making the brown sauce before you add other things to it. Okay, so this is something else we're going to be making today, and this is actually going to be the butter recipe yellow. And as far as the ingredients, we're going to go ahead and turn this around and see exactly what's on there. It's very simple. We have the water, the butter softened, and 3 eggs. And then the type of butter I'm actually going to be using is the Kerrygold, because it's milk from grass-fed cows. And I'm going to be using 3 out of this. It's actually 18. Has a lot of great values in terms of nutrition and the vitamins. That's pretty great for your nutrition. It actually has in vitamin D, E, B2, B12, B5, and these are actually vegetarian fed hens, so that's why I have so much great nutrition. So now we already have it ready to boil in. At this point, you want to add a little seasoning to it, give it a nice flavor. And over here we still have this boiling, because you want to make sure you actually get it real hot before we start putting anything else in there. Okay, so it's already to the boiling. At this point, you want to put in your breading. Get all of that in there, and then you just mix it. I'm pouring another one because it's going to have a little bit more than usual. So how that is. And of course, you want to reduce the fire too. You don't want it too high, because of the amount of sauce. Then have to pour in more bread in. Great deal, right? So have the seasoning there on top. Then you want to add the eggs straight from the refrigerator directly into the pot. It's a little bit touchy, but you don't want to do the room temperature. That's the difference. Remember, this one has in water and refrigerator, straight to the pot, eggs. Okay, so back to the cake. We have the water, we have the butter. It's actually measured out for you. This one says we use 5 of these, that'll be 1/3 of a cup. And of course you have like the 3 eggs. So go ahead and pour in your water. You add your butter, you add the eggs, and the mix. So now we have the mixture. Put it into the grease and the flour of the pan. Let that get in there. Okay, so now we have the ice water. Of course, we have some cold water in there too, so sweeten the deal. Use a whole tray of ice cubes. And now we're actually going to take the egg. After we're going to have it in the cylinder, and we're going to just add it to ice water. And this is all before you actually start to peel them. Okay, so we're doing the finishing part of the deviled eggs. In front of you, we have the eggs. We have the Hellmann's organic mayonnaise. We have some honey Dijon mustard. We have some paprika for decoration. And of course, the utensils we'll be having is a spoon and a knife, and we just take it from there. Okay, everyone, so this is the end product of the items we were making. We have the bread stuffing right along here. And here we have the deviled eggs, and of course we have the cake. So till next time, this is Miss Sidra from Sparkling Memoriez.